Hey everybody, welcome to the South Wisconsin Family Fishing Channel. We're out here again like last weekend, which you saw on, I believe it was October 20th, it was Sunday. That's when my wife caught 7 sturgeon compared to my 2 drum and 1 walleye. Anyways, brought the boys out today. We got Noah and DJ out here, and hopefully they're gonna catch a trophy. So on that note, let's catch some fish. Hopefully that'll be the first fish of the day. Okay, we got first fish of the day. All right, when you get them up, you know what to do. What do you think it is, Noah?
Sturgeon.
Feel pretty big? All right, let's get them up. We'll see what it is. First fish of the day. Awesome job. Bring them in. Let's get them unhooked.
Sturgeon.
Like Noah's got another fish. I'm gonna give him the microphone.
It's a sturgeon. It feels like. Ah! Wait, no, it's still on. Oh my God! It's a sturgeon! Looks like, I think it's a sturgeon. It feels kind of like a sturgeon. I know it's a fighter though. Come on. Oh jeez. He's a fighter. Oh, he's a sturgeon! Sturgeon! It's gonna be my first sturgeon all by myself. Got him! Come on. I got him! Yes! I got my first ever sturgeon! On my own, at least. Sturgeon.
There you go.
Sturgeon!
And that's your
Look at
first
this
one you
little
ever
puppy.
caught, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Look at this little puppy. First fish for me. Dawson just caught one. Sturgeon. Give them to others. Holy crap, this one's big. Oh my God. Sturgeon. Big one too. Time to release.
Well, so far, Noah 3, Dawson 1. I mean, nothing, but that's, you know what? That's okay because the kids are having fun. You know, this is just something great to do. They've been doing awesome in school, so it's a good reward for them. So hopefully we'll catch some more. Gotcha. First fish of the day for me. Yeah, it feels like a sturgeon. Oh, it's a walleye. Nice walleye. Nice. Well, it looks like I got my first fish of the day. Look at this beautiful walleye. Just that golden color. Look at that in the sun, just glistening. You can tell by that white tail. Look at that little white spot. Beautiful fish. Not 15 inches though. Go on, buddy. Look at those markings, just beautiful coloring. Well, that was cool. I caught a walleye. Kids got sturgeon, I caught a walleye.
Feels like a sturgeon. A hard fight. This would be the first one of mine I've caught. I've missed two. And this will be my fourth that I caught. Sturgeon. The fourth sturgeon so far. I missed two and
Gotcha. Oh, they're nice. All right, looks like I got something. It's a head shaker though. Oh, that's a nice fish. He's gonna overlap my other pole, but that's okay. No, it's fine. Yeah, but I'll get it. Ugh.
okay, maybe you can grab it and then put it on.
Just hang on, DJ. He's gonna come around. Sturgeon. First one of the day. Little mud puppy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, puppy. Oh. Come on, buddy. Oh, sturgeon. Yeah. All right, looks like I got sturgeon number 2 today. Just beautiful fish. Little mud puppy. Look at that mouth. Sturgeon number 2. There you go.
Another big one. It feels like a sturgeon again. It's definitely tied up on your, I think. It's up on shore. I see it moving.
Not that heavy though.
It's something though.
Something.
Yeah. Looks like you got a walleye.
Walleye.
Nice. Awesome.
Walleye.
Look at the color.
Very beautiful. Some teeth.
Hey everybody, what a day, man. Wasn't that just awesome? Got kids catching sturgeon, caught a walleye myself. Just an awesome day, just full of fun. So thanks for joining in, and I just want to say your line's tight.